Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you Class 7 second chapter Cherry Tree question and answers. Page number 13 from your book English Junction, publication Orient Black Swan. So the page number 13. So the first question is, where had the cherries comes from? So the answer of this question is cherries came from the मसूरी बाज़ार. चेरीज़ कहाँ से लाई जाती थी? चेरीज़ मसूरी बाज़ार से आती थी. Now the second question is, what does grandfather tell राकेश about luck? ग्रैंडफादर ने राकेश को लक के बारे में क्या बताया था? So the answer of this question is, grandfather said to Rakesh, nothing is lucky if you put it away. He wanted Rakesh to put the sheet to use. Grandfather said to Rakesh that nothing is unlucky until you used it anyway. मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ लकी नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि आप उसका एक सही उपयोग ना करें. अगर उस सीड को राकेश ने फेंक दिया होता या प्लांट नहीं किया होता तो आज वो चेरी ट्री कभी भी नहीं होता. तो राकेश ने उस सीड को यूज़ किया, उसे प्लांट किया, इसीलिए वो लकी हुआ और आज वो चेरी का जो बीज था, जो सीड था, वो प्लांट बन गया. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डिड राकेश नो इट वॉज स्प्रिंग? राकेश नो इट वॉज स्प्रिंग बिकॉज ही सॉ द वाइल्ड डक्स फ्लाइंग नॉर्थ टू साइबेरिया. क्योंकि राकेश ने देखा था वाइल्ड डक जो होती हैं उनको नॉर्थ से उड़ के जाते हुए, साइबेरिया एक देश का जगह का नाम है, उस ओर जाते हुए देखा था. ये इंडिकेशन होता है कि अब स्प्रिंग जो है आने वाला है, इसलिए राकेश को ने ये गेस कर दिया कि स्प्रिंग आने वाला है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच सीजन डिड द चेरी ट्री ग्रो क्विकली? किस सीज़न में चेरी का जो ट्री है, जो प्लांट है, उसकी ग्रोथ बहुत जल्दी होती है? सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, द चेरी ट्री ग्रू क्विकली ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून्स रेन्स. मॉनसून की जो रेन होती है, जो बरसात होती है, उसमें जो चेरी ट्री होती है वो काफ़ी जल्दी क्विकली उसकी ग्रोथ होती है, बहुत जल्दी बढ़ता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what happened to the cherry tree at the end of the rainy season? रेनी सीजन के अंत में चेरी ट्री के साथ क्या हुआ? So the answer of this question is, one day a woman came down the hill cutting grass. She cut the cherry tree in two with her scythe. Scythe जो है एक तरह का टूल है जो मोस्टली लोग यूज़ करते हैं घास को काटने के लिए. गांव में मोस्टली यूज़ हो जाता है, इसे हिंदी में हंसिया भी कहा जाता है. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ कि एक वुमन जो कि हिल्स, पहाड़ों की घास काट रही थी, वो घास काटते काटते ये ग्रैंडफादर के गार्डन में आ गई और उसने चेरी ट्री को भी बिना सोचे समझे दो हिस्सों में अपने हंसिये से काट दिया. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what is a grandfather's explanation for why they like the cherry tree so much? ग्रैंडफादर जो थे, ग्रैंडफादर, उन्होंने क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया था क्यों वो चेरी ट्री को बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करते थे, पसंद करते थे? मीन्स यहाँ उनका अटैचमेंट चेरी ट्री से सबसे ज़्यादा क्यों था इन कंपैरिजन टू अदर ट्रीज़? वहाँ तो बहुत ढेर सारे ट्रीज़ थे, लेकिन चेरी ट्री से ही सबसे ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट क्यों था? नाउ द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, ग्रैंडफादर लाइक द चेरी ट्री सो मच बिकॉज दे हैड प्लांट इट देमसेल्फ. क्योंकि उन्होंने उस चेरी ट्री को खुद से लगाया हुआ था, इसलिए उनका अटैचमेंट उस चेरी ट्री से ज़्यादा था. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इट इज़ अ चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, द टेक्स्ट सेज दैट राकेश promptly ate the others too. This shows that liked eating cherries very much. This is the choose the correct options and you have to choose the correct one. So the correct answer is C1. Liked eating cherries very much. Now the next one is, during a winter evening, Rakesh and grandfather. So the correct option is A1. sat outside while grandfather told Rakesh stories. Now the next question is, Rakesh removed the caterpillar from the cherry tree because first option is he did not like caterpillar, B1 is it would eat all the leaves of the trees, and C1 is he thought the caterpillar would like to eat the dry leaves. Between all these three options, the correct option is a B1. It would eat all the leaves on the trees. Now the next one is, Rakesh was amazed by the cherry tree because the first option is he had planted a tree by himself. Second is it could not believe that the tree had grown from one seed, and the C1 is the tree had grown despite being cut down when it was a spelling. So the correct one is B1. It could not believe that the tree had grown from one sheet. Now the next question is, it is a grammar. Complete the sentence with a was or were. So here some sentences are given here, and option is already given in your book, that you have to fill in the blanks with a was or were. Between these two options, one will be the correct. So the first is every member dash invited. So answer is every member was invited. So the next one is, there dash many sparrows picking at the grain. For this question, answer is there were many sparrows picking at the grain. This question is related to grammar context. So the fourth one is, not one of the cakes dash made using the ingredients mentioned in the cookbook. So the answer of this one is, not one of the cakes was made using the ingredients mentioned in the cookbook. So the next question is, several people dash invited. The answer of this question is several people were invited. These all questions from your book English Junctions, and publisher is the Orient Black Swan. So the next question is, Reuben dash the best student in his last year. Reuben were the best student in his last years. So the next question is, it's also from a grammar only. When I was young, karate dash my passion. So answer is, when I was young, karate was my passion. The next question is, it's also from a grammar. Jagdish and his friend dash playing in the field yesterday. So the answer of this question is, Jagdish and his friends were playing in the field yesterday. So the next question is, it's from a vocabulary. Next question is from vocabulary. Change these sentences by using the correct prefixes with the words in the bracket. Prefixes, already I explained you that prefixes means when you are adding something in a front of any word. So here we have to make a word with the help of the word given focus, and it is prefix, then we will add something at the first of that word. So the question is, my new camera has dash, and in word is given here focus. I just have to point it at something and a click. So when we are changing this focus into a prefix, then the answer should be, my new camera has autofocus. I just have to point it at something and click. Next one is the dash weekly. The word is weekly, we have to add something here. So is telecast every Saturday and Sunday. The answer of this question is, the Bi-weekly show is telecast every Saturday and Sunday. My next question is, we won the dash. The word is a school. That you have to change this school word into prefix, means you have to add something in the front of this word. Dash school football tournament. We beat AGS High School 4-0. The answer is, we won the inter-school football tournament. We beat AGS High School for 0. The next question is, Pramod was dash confident and did not practice. He did not play well at all today. So this, the word is a confident, and we have to add something. So here the answer is, Pramod was overconfident and did not practice. He did not play well at all today. So this is all about the explanations of your book question answer second chapter. If you like the explanation of my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. Thank you.